So today I am making you to revise rational number. Firstly, we will be doing word problem. So see the question. Question is find the area of rectangular park which is 36 3 by 5 meter long and 16 2 by 3 meter broad. So you know the formula of area of rectangle.
L into B.
It is length into breadth. So here you are having length. Length is given equal to 36 3 by 5 and you are also given breadth. So you have to multiply this two, solve it and come up with the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is 610 meters square area.
You are correct, 610 meter square. So when you simplify it, you will be getting 183 upon 5 and for breadth you will be getting 50 upon 3. When you just reduce them, you will get 610 meter square. If 3 by 5 of a number exceeds its 2 by 7 by 44, you have to find the number. So what is the way of doing this question? You just tell me the equation, then solve.
Ma'am, let the number be X. Ma'am, then 3 upon 5x. Ma'am, 3 upon 5x minus 2 upon 7 is equal to 44.
3/5 of a number. So 3/5 of the number is 3x upon 5. exceeds means it is bigger than it's 2 upon 7 by 44. So if I subtract this 2, I should get 44. Excellent, Riti. So final answer should be 140. So all of you are getting 140.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I have some questions to answer. Ma'am, am I audible?
Speak again.
Ma'am, I'm saying that I have some doubts, so can you solve them?
Let me connect to my microphone just a minute. I'm not able to hear you. Just a minute. What you are saying?
Ma'am, I'm saying that I have some doubts, so can you clear them?
Again? Do tell me your doubt. Should I allow you to share the screen? Please tell me. Okay, Mahika, now you can share your doubts. Okay, Mahika. So let's see question number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. Okay, what are the numbers? So पहले आप लिखोगे let number be x. Therefore, positive number is 5 times another number. So positive number will be 5x. If 21 is added to both the number, if I add 21 to both the number, so what I have done, I have added 21. Then one of the new number become twice the other. So what happened? The new number becomes twice the other number. What are the numbers? So how to solve it? If I solve it further, 5x plus 21, it is equal to 2x plus 42. Okay, when you solve it further, 5x minus 2x is equal to 42 minus 21. So 3x comes out to be 21, or you can say one number is 7, 21 upon 3, and another number is 5x, means 5 into 7, that comes out to be 35. Okay, Mahika, I can see you annotating. You have understood. So please write the solution, then I will tell you fourth one also. Okay, so I am erasing it. So next doubt of you, Mahika, one of 2 digit of a 2 digit number. Can you scroll it up? Okay, fourth question. Yes, I can see. Okay, I can see. Thank you. One of the 2 digit of a 2 digit number is 3 times the other digit. So we will say let the digit at one's place be x. Okay, so one of 2 digit of a 2 digit number is 3 times the other digit. So we will be writing digit at tens place. Digit at tens place will be how much? 3 times 3x. Okay, if you interchange digit of this 2 digit number and add the resulting to the original number. So first we will be calculating original number. So original number should be x is at ones place and 3x is at tens place. So it becomes equal to 31x. Okay, and if you see the resulting number, is obtained by interchanging of this digit. So 3x will go on unit place and x will go on tens place. So it is 13x. Okay, now what is given according to the question? If you add this two, 31x plus 13x, so you will be getting 88. Okay, so what it is? 44x is equal to 88. So x is equal to 2. So I got the digit at ones place as 2 and digit at tens place is 3 into 2, that is 6. So the number is 62. This is very important question and you should assume that this question might come in your test. Okay, Mahika. Just write it down and do tell me if there are more doubts. I can clear them up. Okay, you want to say you have already written? Good. Okay, is there any other doubt in any topic? Okay, so please ask. Okay, Mahika. So look at the first question. 8x minus 3. And when this 3x will go to another side, here it is in division. You can see this is in division. So when it goes at other side, it will be in multiplication. So 8x minus 3, it is equal to 2 into 3x, that is 6x. So when 6x will move to another side, here it is plus 6x, it becomes minus 6x. It is equal to minus 3 will go to another side, it becomes plus 3. Okay, so 8x minus 6x is 2x is equal to 3. Or you can say x is equal to 3 upon 2. So what is the main point here? This is in division. So when it goes to another side, it will be in multiplication. And this whole is plus sign with plus sign. When it moves to another side, it will be minus 6x. Minus 3 will become plus 3. And then you solve it. Okay, Mahika, I have understood that you have. Okay, okay. So have you written also? Okay. So let me move to question number 4 then. You told me that you want to know about fourth question also. That is the case of cross multiplication. So 5 will be multiplied to 3y plus 4 and minus 2 will be multiplied to 2 minus 6y. So when you multiply this 5 into 3y, it is 15y plus 20 and this is minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, and minus 2 into minus 6y is plus 12y. Okay, so 15y, if plus 12y will come here, it becomes minus 12y. It is equal to minus 4 plus 20 will make minus 20. So 15y minus 12y, that is 3y, is equal to minus 24. Or you can say y is equal to minus 24 upon 3. So y comes out to be equal to minus 8. So this is the case of cross multiplication. You can just multiply them like this and like this, just like a cross. Okay, Mahika. So let's move to the next of your doubt. That is 7th. Okay. So denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So we will say let numerator be x, then denominator, what is denominator? 8 greater. So x plus 8. Okay, if the numerator is increased by 17, so I am increasing 17 in the numerator, and denominator is decreased by 1. So denominator is x plus 8. If it is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Okay, so what we are doing in this question, हमने numerator को assume कर लिया x, तो denominator is 8 greater than x. So denominator is x plus 8. और अगर हम न्यूमरेटर को 17 से इंक्रीज करें, डिनोमिनेटर को 1 से डिक्रीज करें, then number is 3 by 2. Once you solve this, 8 minus 1 is 7. It is equal to 3 by 2. Now cross multiply. Two x plus 34 is equal to 3x plus 21. Okay, now 2x will come to another side, so it becomes 3x minus 2x and 34 minus 21. So x comes out to be 13. And if I talk about rational number, numerator is 13 and denominator is 13 plus 8, that is 21. So rational number, final answer is 13 upon 21. Okay, Mahika. So if you want, I can clear and we can proceed to the next doubt. Okay. Okay, question number 3. Just a minute. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter is 4 2 by 15 centimeter. Length of the remaining equal side. So what will we write? Let equal sides be x each. So we know there are 3 sides in triangle. So equal sides of isosceles triangle is x and the base is 4 by 3. If I add this 3, then I will get the perimeter, that is 4 2 by 15. So when you solve it, 2x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 15 4s are 60. 60 plus 2, 62 upon 15. Okay, then you can say 2x is equal to 62 upon 15. That is plus. So when it comes here, it will be minus. Okay, so if you solve it further, take LCM as 15. Then 62, this has to be multiplied by 5. 4 5s is 20. So 62 minus 20 is how much? 42 upon 15. This is equal to 2x. So x is equal to 42 upon 15 into 2. This will make 21. Now I can cut it by 3. 3 7 are 21, 3 5 are 15. So length or length of remaining equal sides comes out to be 7 by 5 centimeter. So perimeter means if I add all the 3 sides length, that will give me perimeter. Okay, Mahika. I'm clearing all this thing. Now you tell me your next doubt. In rational number, okay. So now you can close this file of yours and you can open rational number. So Mahika, are you sharing more questions of rational number of your doubt? Maika, you can type on chat box. Should I wait? Are you sharing more questions? Okay, so let me disconnect and connect again.